In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trading 212 demo account. A demo, or practice mode, is the safest place to learn the platform and build confidence. It gives you virtual money, typically around $50,000, and mirrors the real Trading 212 experience so you can try ideas without risking your own cash. You'll see the same interface, similar tools, and live market data, which makes it perfect for learning how everything works. After you've signed up and logged in, open the Trading 212 app or the web platform. Look for the main menu icon or the options in the bottom navigation, and choose Switch to Practice or Practice Mode. That instantly moves you into the demo environment and loads your virtual balance. You'll know you're in practice mode by the on-screen labels and the virtual funds displayed. From here, trade exactly as you would live. You can buy and sell stocks and ETFs and explore CFDs such as Forex, indices, and, where available, crypto with leverage. Prices and charts update in real time, so it's a great place to test order types like market, limit, and stop orders. Use the charting tools for technical analysis, experiment with indicators, and practice planning entries, exits, and risk. Because you're working with virtual funds, typically $50,000, you can focus on learning the mechanics without pressure. If you run low on virtual cash or want a clean slate, open the menu, go to Settings, and select Reset Account. You can set a new balance, up to $50,000, and even choose your demo currency. A helpful tip is to match your demo balance to what you might realistically deposit later. That keeps your position sizes and expectations grounded. Keep in mind that practice mode is not exactly the same as trading with real money. Gains and losses are virtual. Some real-world events like dividends or corporate actions may not match live behavior perfectly, and the emotional side of risk is missing. Treat this as a learning lab, then use those lessons carefully in the real market. When you feel comfortable, head back to the menu and tap Switch to Real Money. Complete any required verification, then deposit funds to start trading live. Begin with amounts you're comfortable with and scale up gradually as your process proves itself. Make the most of your demo by testing strategies before risking cash, behaving as if every trade were real, learning the platform's order types and tools, exploring both the Invest section for stocks and ETFs and the CFD section, and avoiding oversized, unrealistic positions. This approach turns practice into progress.